Hey, all welcome back. I'm sure all of you are watching out what's happening on the AI landscape. Last week, a pretty good announcement has come from Meta. Meta has introduced the Llama 4 models. And one very good thing that I heard is the context window size. Now, while everybody's talking about a few hundred thousands, they have straight away moved from 10 million as a context window size. Whether it is 10 million or 1 million, definitely that's a huge number. Now I wanted to go back to my interesting question, which is our RAG application and our chunking strategy. You all know chunking strategy pretty much depends on the context window size. And now that the context window has been hugely changed, how are we going to make use of it? Are we going to go refine our chunking strategy and redeploy our application? That's what ideally we have to do, right? Otherwise, you're not taking the advantage of such a shift. So that's one thing that I wanted to highlight, and I have told you earlier, if we are not having a right chunking strategy, then what kind of implications in terms of the application accuracy that we would have it. I'm not going to divulge too much into it now. If you guys are interested, just go back and check some of my previous videos. Also, on a lighter note, I was thinking we all do a lot of wrapper in general. I'm just wondering, to achieve such a huge context window size, by any means, Meta would have created a wrapper, before the model and would have chunked at the model size and gives the impression as if like it can support such a huge token size. Could be possible, but I don't know. I'm sure this is pure model capability they have fine-tuned and tweaked in. That's what it's supporting. 10 million. Let's believe on it. Whatever it may be, their strategy. But end of the day, this is a new possibility, and this is going to push every other model providers to think in a big scale. And I'm sure, we have some workloads that needs such a kind of huge context window in size. So I'm sure definitely few use cases are going to get benefited right away with that kind of shift and change. Thanks for listening in today, and we'll talk on one other topic. Thank you. Bye.